started an organization known as Generation Development Farming. We want everybody to farm. When you look there, you look at the cassava. This is just a few gardens. We have very many there of cassava, but we don't have people to come and buy. So with food,
the problem
is a problem. With the food, there's no problem in Cameroon. Anybody who wants food can come here. You can get even musele rice, you can get beans, cassava, sim, groundnuts.
Maybe one last question. One last question for today, because we have promised we will be coming back. Is Ladiet, you have seen these beautiful sceneries. The culture we have here, Julian, in Agagu here. Have you ever thought about something like tourism or such a kind, maybe domestic tourism?
We have contacted some people who are interested in tourism. They came even up to here. And I told them, let them associate with us. They came, they were spending their nights in green oases, but most of them go to the depot. But I told them that there is local attractive areas for tourism. For example, if you go to the Polo Hills, you will find places where our people used to hide their guns.
The caves.
The caves. There are so many.
An historical site of resistance, like the Paimolo resistance.
Exactly. If you go to Bamaja, you find that one. Next time when you come, and if my car is in good order, I'll drive you there. If your car is enough, you will enter the cave and see how it
We are going to enter.
So the place is attractive for tourism. And even with the cultural heritage of our people is wonderful. Except what I've discovered is that many youth have been diverted.
They hate the culture now.
They now go to this music which they carry. The so-called, of course,
the robots.
The robots and other things. So,
like this one.
I think
this is a power bank.
I think we have to do something. I am intending to look for money so that I buy cultural instruments like lukeme, nana, and others, so that we form up a cultural group that can practice cultural activities. By the way, the school which you saw, part of it will be for that. And this gentleman will be one of the teachers. To teach
for those traditional music.
Traditional music, and even oriental music like this one. They can do it. So, we lack our resources. But I think you people will help us to talk to the people about this place. And those who have, let them come to our heads. Let them come physically, see what we are trying to do, and see the area they can participate in. We are not saying they should do the whole thing, no. We have been doing this work ourselves for the last 10 years. And we saw that we are moving somehow. Supposing people come to help us, I think it will be a different thing. I hope.